Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing some sweet potato fries. These are not the little fries, these are like the chunky fry right here. I like them chunky, like they like potato wedges. So these are the sweet potatoes right here, African sweet potatoes. So today I just want something really different, so I'm gonna be baking this. So if you don't know what sweet potato is, this is sweet potatoes right here, and this is the African white sweet potatoes. This is what I made and cut, and then I make sure I wipe all the water on the potatoes. So if you have a cloth, you have paper towel, either one would do. So you want them not watery, or you want them damp. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add some cornstarch to hold our potatoes so they will look like potato wedges, and have that crunchy flavor. Okay, so when we eat them, they're gonna be crunchy. So we're gonna add some cornstarch. You don't need so much because you're gonna, so after you do that, so now that we add the cornstarch to this, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm gonna use black pepper. Okay, this one is not open. Let me look for another one that's open. Okay. So that is black pepper. And then I'm gonna add seasoned salt. You can put any salt of your choice, but I just think seasoned salt goes with this perfectly. And then you can add oil of your choice, but I'm using coconut oil. Okay, so over here, as you can see, my pan is already been coated with the colonel spray right here, non-sticking spray. So now let's continue mixing this. So right now my oven is ready. I have it for 450. One of my potato drop. I have my oven for 150. So I think I'm gonna put it for 30 minutes and see if I have to leave it there longer. I will let you know. So but for right now is on 415 degrees, and now we're going to put it right into this. You want them to lay by itself, so as much as possible, so that everybody can cook. So I think everybody got their space. And now I'm going to put it in my oven, and then I will show you guys the final look. Don't it look pretty? Don't it look pretty, y'all? It's pretty. So that is it. So my oven is ready. So now I'm gonna put everything in, and then I will show you when it's done. If it's more than 30 minutes, I will let you guys know on the screen as well. But for right now, it's going to cook, and we're just gonna leave it alone. Okay guys, so these are my sweet potatoes and white sweet potatoes. So this is the result of it. After 40 minutes in the oven, I did turn it, which I didn't show on this video, but I did turn it back and forth. So this is the result right here. So if you're looking for a better snack to snack on, this is the reason why I did it. So they're very healthy, and yeah, and they're crunchy as well, guys. Very crunchy. As you can see, they don't stick or anything like that. So yeah, let me know when you think down in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. You can also use whatever topping that you want to dip this in, but I'm not gonna dip this in any topping. I'm just gonna chew it just like that. And look at that, look at that. So alright, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.